Hello children, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss the exercise part of lesson 3, Water Resources of India. In our previous class we have discussed exercise A, B and C. In this class we will discuss exercise D, answer these questions. I request all of you to write it down in your notebook. D, answer these questions. 1. What is the source of groundwater? The answer is groundwater primarily comes from rain. Rainwater that seeps underground and collects there is called groundwater. Means from where do we get groundwater? So we get groundwater from the rain. When the rain falls, the water dries up and goes underground. So the rainwater that seeps underground and collects there is called groundwater. Next, 2. Name any two man-made sources of water. The answer is two man-made sources of water are wells and dams. From wells and dams we get water, which are made by man, made by people. Next, 3. Why are dams important? The answer is dams are important as they store water which is later used for irrigation, control of floods and the development of fishing industry, along with helping in generating hydroelectricity. Dams are built in the river as they store water, and the collected water is used for irrigation, supplying water to the field, and also dams control floods and the development of fishing industry. The dam water also helps in development of fishing industry, and also dams are used for generating hydroelectricity. What do you mean by hydroelectricity? The electricity which is produced, generated from water is known as hydroelectricity. These are the importance of dams. Next, 4. Why is it important to conserve water? Write 3 ways in which water is conserved in India. The answer is, it is important for us to conserve water because though water is a renewable resource, much of the groundwater as well as fresh water on the earth is depleting. This means that why it is very important to save water, to conserve water. It is important because water is a renewable resource. We can get water again and again, but the underground water, that is which we get from rain, the underground water and the fresh water on this earth is depleting, means is reducing day by day because we are using it. We are using underground water and fresh water day by day. So on this earth it is decreasing, that is reducing. So it is important to conserve water. Write 3 ways in which water is conserved in India. Ways in which water is conserved in India are constructing dams and by harvesting rainwater and runoff water through step wells known as bowls. Ways in which we can conserve water in India. Those are, water can be conserved in India by constructing dams and by harvesting rainwater and runoff water, by collecting the rainwater and runoff water by building step wells. Step wells are built to collect rainwater and runoff water, and that step wells are known as bowls in India. Next, 5. Write any 3 ways in which you can save water. The answer is 3 ways through which we can save water are turning off the taps when they are not in use, watering plants with water used to wash groceries, and by using only as much water as one needs while bathing. So, how we can save water? By turning off the taps. We should not keep the taps on when they are not in use. And also, we should water plants with the water which we use for washing groceries. Means the water which we used for washing vegetables. The same water we can use for watering plants. And also we can save water by using only as much water as one needs while bathing. While bathing, we should use as much water as one needs. We should not use more than enough water while bathing. So while bathing also we should keep in mind to save water. Next, 6. Name 2 river valley projects of India. The answer is Bhakra Nangal Dam in the state of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab and Hirakud Dam in Odisha are the 2 river valley projects of India. Means these are the 2 dams which are built to conserve, to store water from the river. The 2 river valley projects of India are Bhakra Nangal Dam. It is located in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. And Hirakud Dam. Where is Hirakud Dam? In the state Odisha. These are 2 river valley projects of India. So dear children, I hope you understood about this exercise. In our next class, we will discuss workbook, social studies, lesson 1, 2 and lesson 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.